Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you like this video enough to want to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, make sure that you do have your post notification bell turned on. And last but not least, do me a big favor and give this video a thumbs up. Liking my videos helps me out a whole lot, more than you even know it does. So yeah, today's tutorial is obviously going to be on this triangle, like parted, colorful rubber band, top up, top down. I don't even know the name. It's just a lot going on. So this is pretty much the pattern or whatever. There's different ways that you can do the rubber bands if you wanted to, but this is just how I did mine. It's looking super natural, of course. Like what lace, you feel me? This look like it's just all my real hair. So anyway, this hair is from MsCoCo. Today's video is sponsored by MsCoCo, so shout out to MsCoCo Hair for sending over these bundles. I am wearing their deep wave texture. I will leave all the info for this hair down below, of course. You can check out their hair. You can get a direct link to these bundles in frontal, and then you can also check out some of their other hair. So far, so good. This is the hair in its dry state. Later on in the video, I will show you guys what this hair looks like while it's wet. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this hair and you want to know how I styled my lace front like this, then just continue watching. Alrighty you guys, today we have some hair from MsCoCo. So I have some curly hair actually that I ordered from them, so I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so these are the bundles that I got. I got 3 bundles of 22 inch and I got a 20 inch frontal. It's all like a very deep curly texture. And then this is a mirror. I think this is so cute. It's like this cute little black lady with her little afro puff. But it's a mirror and it's the most cutest thing ever, and I'm going to put it in my purse. So that's what I mean, like it's super freaking curly. And then the root is like straight first and then it goes into the curl or whatever. It is pre-plucked. I'm not gonna have to do too much plucking, but I am gonna have to pluck the hairline, of course, to make it more natural. It does come with some baby hairs. More than likely not even gonna use, well, I might use them, just cut them shorter, of course. But yeah, so that's the hair. So this is how the bundles come. The same beautiful, really tight texture all the way down to the very ends of the hair. But I really like this curl pattern. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and I can't wait to try it. And they have their logo here and they also have their logo on the band or whatever. You can dye, bleach, and perm this hair. So if you didn't want it in the natural black color, you can bleach it and change the color and get a whole new look. Hey, what's up you guys? So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. So I made my wig. Here it is over here. This hair, you guys, absolutely freaking beautiful. All the way down to the ends. Like, it's just super curly. So bomb. And I can't wait to put it on. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I plucked the frontal and everything. And then, of course, I toned it so that, you know, it's not too brassy. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some makeup on my lace, but this is the wig. Here are my roots and everything. Everything is super sleek. Now I know you guys see a little bit of brownness. Now for me personally, some people don't like this, but I like my roots to be a little bit brown or a little bit blonde-ish. They're not like super blonde, but just a little bit, because I feel like it helps blend the hair in with your natural skin tone. Like if it's all black, then I don't know. You guys will see what I mean, but I've done it many times. So anyway, I'm still gonna go ahead and put some makeup on my parts because our parts are going to be showing today. I'm gonna be doing a lot of little parts. So I'm just gonna get some makeup in this brush and put the makeup on my lace. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of our wig. Okay, guys, so here is the wig fully applied. I went ahead and applied it all around the perimeters. And this hair, you guys, as you can see, is a freaking beautiful. Like, it's just bomb. Extra bomb. But I don't want to wear it curly like this, although this is a very beautiful pattern. I do like this pattern, but you guys can see what's going on around here. I really do like this hair, but I am going to be doing a half up, half down type of look today. I'm going to see how it works out, because the vision that I have versus what may actually go down, it could be two completely different things. So because I did dry out, like, you know, the front part of my hair, like this part is like pretty much dry, I'm going to re-wet it so that we can do the next step. So you're gonna need water in your water bottle. So I'm gonna go fill mine up because I ran out. I also feel like, I think I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeliner on too. Put pay ticket in the group top.
I'm gonna take my time. She gon' get hers before I'm gonna take it slow. I'm not gonna rush the through, so she can get a sensual seduction. So I can get a sensual seduction. So we can get a sensual seduction. Sensual seduction. She might be with him, but she's thinking about me. We don't go to the mall, we don't go out to eat. All that we ever do is play in the sheets. Smoke us a cigarette, then go back to sleep. 'Cause we done got a sensual seduction. Sensual seduction. Sensual seduction. Sensual seduction. I'm gonna take my time. She gon' get hers before I'm gonna take it slow. I'm not gonna rush the through. If you don't know by now, Doggy Dog is a freak. I keep a bet with me 7 days out the week. And all that we ever do is play in the sheets. Then smoke us a cigarette and go back to sleep. 'Cause we done got a sensual seduction. Sensual seduction. Sensual seduction. Sensual seduction.
I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus. I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. Bedsheets turn to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just want you to. 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 Just want you to focus on my life. Just want you to. 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 your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. Bet she's turned to a white dress. I suck up when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just focus on my. Just focus on my. Just want you to. 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 Just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my love. Just want you to. 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 Just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just want you to. 100% of your attention. 100%, so I'm in heaven. 100% of your attention. Keep watching my eyes on your trailer. 100% of your attention.
Wishing that I could do eventually if it was meant to be, that it would be cause we related physically and mentally, and she was fun then. I be geeked when she come around. Slim was fresh, Joe, when she was underground, original, pure, untapped, but a down sister. Boy, I tell you, I miss her. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Set the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Confidence, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. You act, yo, we gotta be the short shot. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Set the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Confidence, y'all, and you don't stop.
So I pretty much have my hair done now. This is like what it's looking like. I'll back up for you guys so you guys can see. So this is what we're working with. We just have the ponytail going up at the top. Once it dries, it's gonna look even better, like for the top part. But I don't want my hair to be too poofy at all. So you guys, this is the finished look for the most part. You guys will see in the intro and pictures, of course, of how the hair looks after a while, because you know this is always the initial part and then the intro and everything is like secondary. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. I've been wanting to try this for a minute. It looks super natural. It's best to do this with curly hair, in my opinion. You could do this with straight hair, but curly hair to me just looks better with this kind of hairstyle. And I still feel like I want to flatten this. Maybe if I had a bobby pin or something. I'm gonna get a bobby pin. So before I go, I wanted to tell you guys about a product that I like to use on my curly hair. This is not sponsored at all. This is just what I use. This is the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. I actually need to go pick some more of this up, but I like using this for my hair because it's a gel that's not crunchy. So for like certain parts that I want to be like, you know, super sleek, I don't want it to be, you know, too poofy, I like putting this on. But you need to put it on, of course, while the hair is wet. You don't want to do this while the hair is dry. But yeah, overall though, you guys can already tell that I really thoroughly enjoy and love this hair. I think the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love this kind of curl pattern personally. It's a little bit tighter than my normal. I had something similar to it, but not quite like it. This hair, even though it's curly, it's so easy to just like run your fingers through, but it does shed. Most curly hair does shed, so just keep that in mind. It's not excessive though. It's not like, oh my god, I cannot deal. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and then you see how it's gonna make this part flat. It just makes it look so much more natural. So I love using this Miss Jessie's. But I am gonna go pick up some more, and then I'm just putting it at the top, and it just kind of helps the hair lay a little bit more flat, you know, because I want my hair curly, but I don't want it to be poofy in the back. I kind of want it to be a little bit longer and wet looking, and yeah, y'all know what it is. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. And then put it on the ends too, because the ends is like, that's the first part that's gonna get poofy. So I like putting it on the ends. But you don't want to put too much gel because you don't want to weigh the hair down. But this smells so good. So I like putting it on because it smells like a baby. Like you smell like, it smells just like a baby. But yeah, if you guys wanted to see, you can put it off to the side if you don't want to wear it down the middle. But yeah, I feel like hairstyles like this, it just makes your lace front look so much more natural. And I know a lot of times like we don't be knowing like what else to do with our lace fronts. Like, okay, how many parts can you put in it? How many side parts, middle parts, flat iron, straighten, crimp? You know, it's so many things you can do with your hair. But when it comes to a lace front, you be like, you get bored. I don't know, I do. I just know I get bored of hairstyles a lot. But I always like bringing new looks to y'all. Just showing you guys different ways you guys can style your lace fronts. So I hope you guys are loving these tutorials lately. I do like to do a lot of half up, half downs. I do. It's kind of like my thing now. If you guys want to see I haven't been shopping or anything like that. I just started wearing my clothes again. Like I was getting lazy for a minute, I'm not gonna lie. Once again, this hair is from MsCoCo. I have in a 20-inch frontal and then 3 bundles of 22-inch. I only put 2 bundles of the 22-inch in. I didn't put the 3rd one because I know I was gonna do the half up, half down. And because this hair is already curly, it's already really full as far as the wig is concerned. And I didn't want to have like a really poofy back part, so that's why I only used 2. And you guys see like how nice that looks. Like look at these waves. Like this hair is really bomb. So if you guys want to purchase this hair, I will leave a link down below so you guys can check it out along with some of their other hair. They have straight hair, body wave, whatever it is that you need. I'm really loving their curly hair right now. I think this is perfect. You guys already know the summertime is coming up, so you need to figure out what curly hair you're gonna be wearing during the summertime. And this is looking like it might be my favorite little, well, I have another favorite, but I think this might be like my other favorite. But I really like the curl pattern on here. It just looks super natural, especially because the ends are like really curly. It's just so pretty. I love this hair. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.